This takeaway cost me £15. In 20 minutes, it's going to be a pile of rubbish and, let's be honest, a bit of a stomachache. But this is a business. And in 2026, you can get started for just 50p. It's a new year and you've got the ideas, you've got the 2026 is my year energy, but you're still scrolling, you're still planning. Well, today we are ending the planning phase. I'm going to show you how to get a professional, revenue-ready business live with Fasthosts before your delivery driver even finds your front door. Step 1. The name. If you don't own the URL, you don't own the brand. Through Fasthosts, you can purchase domain names for as little as £1 for 1 year. And if you're ready to get your business going, a free domain name is included in our website builder packages, starting from just 50p per month for the first 6 months. And that is a pretty good deal. Click buy and boom, you've officially planted your flag on the internet and you're ready to start your business. Speaking of website builder, let's take a look at step 2, the website. Most people actually end up quitting here because they think they need to learn coding or hire a dev for thousands of pounds. It's 2026, guys. You don't even have to code anymore. Like I said, you can get started with Website Builder for as little as 50p for the first 6 months. And Website Builder is the perfect tool to use to get up and running as quickly as possible, especially if you've never built a website before. The setup process really couldn't be simpler. Connect the domain name to the package and then go through the Website Builder wizard to get a professional, customizable website set up exactly for what you need. And to top it all off, it even includes an AI tool that can build the entire website for you out of a single AI prompt. You aren't building a masterpiece yet, and let's be honest, perfect is the enemy of good. You're building a storefront. You can polish it later. For now, we just need it to be live. Now, time for a quick reality check. If your business email is bigdave92@hotmail.com, nobody is giving you their credit card details. Nobody. Step 3 is the professional email. And the best bit is, it's also included in the Website Builder package, giving you peace of mind that you'll have everything you need to get your business up and running. Setting up your emails is really simple and it takes no time at all. And with our handy guides and tutorials, you can even get the mailbox set up on your computer and your phone really easily. It takes 30 seconds to set up. Now, when you send an invoice or a pitch, you can look and feel like a CEO, even if your only current employee happens to be the family dog. Let's take another look at the numbers. One night of fast food that you'll forget by tomorrow, or the first 6 months of a business that could change your life. Your own domain and a professional brand. The Fasthosts January Sale is literally designed to remove your last excuse. The link is down there in the description. Get your domain, build your site, and start 2026 properly. Stop planning and start building.